Most people still find it difficult to convert their ethereum to usdt and they don't know how to do it, and in this video we are going to do that right now. All right, so we are still in the coin recovery spree for all those that lost their coin. All right, so if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency business, forex, you have to subscribe to this channel because I teach all that, so you won't be making a lot of mistakes and then you'll be find it difficult to contact me for crypto recoveries and stuff like that, because that's what I typically do for you. Recover all your crypto, recover all your coins that is lost, that is sent to wrong addresses. So if y'all can understand some of those videos I made, then fine, you could do it yourself. But there are some cases I've seen, so many cases that seem so complicated. All right, so in this video, like I said from the beginning, we're just going to go through Ethereum to USDT, as simple as that. It's a short video, all right? But before we go on, I'm going to have to just post this testimonial, all right? This is the one. Today is 27th, all right, 27th of August 2021, all right? Today I recovered a coin for somebody worth of $351 worth of Ethereum. So you can just see his testimonial there.
Very much. The other guy, he said he's at work, so he said he will. Very much. The other guy, he said he's at work, so he said he will contact you when he's finished from work or when he's on break. So I'm waiting for you. I'll give you a number. Thank you very much, man. I will give you people. I'm serious. I'm telling you, I've been hearing people complaining. I'll find out these people and give them to you. Okay, bro. Thank you very much. I will even see if I can. I know you have it, and if I didn't trust you, I wouldn't have given it to you. But I can even download another one. I will never give. I give it because of you, and because of this issue. You know, so I will never give to anybody. Never. And just like I have you, I know I have you. There's no problem that you'll not be able to solve that I may have. So I don't see any reason why I will give my wallet address to any other person.
All right, you saw that, right? So I'm glad that a lot of people are confirming things, and these are things that you don't literally find on the internet, but I search them out and then make provision for them and make sure that they work for you guys. So why don't you just give me a thumbs up at least, is what I want from you, and then subscribe to my channel. And if you can do more, comments. All right, so share this video to a friend, it might help them as well. So let's just go through it. All right, so here we are at Binance, and if you don't have a Binance account, please check the link in the description and then register a Binance account for yourself. So you can see here we have about $24 right here, and we want to convert it into USDT. So first of all, go to market as usual, then search Ethereum. Just search ETH, and then you see Ethereum slash USDT 10x. Click that first one and then click on sell. All right, you can see the sell button right there. All right, click on sell because you're selling Ethereum. All right, now mine is already at market, so you have to switch that from market to limit if yours is at limit to market. And then for me, I want to sell all the Ethereum for the purpose of this video. All right, you see I click 100%, and then you can see it has shown success. I've successfully converted my Ethereum to USDT in microseconds. So you can see it's just as ABC. So you can do this to as many coins as possible. See you in my next video.